Hey, what's happening? So I just went up to Walmart, and it's hot as fuck today, and I don't have no AC in this one particular room, and so I got this Arctic Air machine, and I'm gonna give it a try, and then I'm gonna let you know what I think, and show you how it works, and see if it's worth a shit, because it's as seen on TV. Alright, so here she is, the Arctic Air, and it's a new Arctic Air Evaporator air cooler, and it runs for up to 8 hours per fill. And it also, as you can see here, it says built-in LED mood light, just in case. So I wanted to looks like it plugs into a wall or outlet. It's also a humidifier. Let's see, and an evaporator. Power supply. Here's the unit. I try to make it look all fancy with this Arctic Air computer looking symbol on top and shit. It looks like you just have a lid here. It looks like a little condenser or something right here. A little condenser, and that's probably our evaporator. What makes this son of a bitch work. So let's fill it up with some water. And so here's the product guide. Give you a rundown on what it has. I like that it comes with the USB cable. You can take a look at what's included and pause the video if you need to. And you can see alright, got the base plugged in. Now we just need to find looks like right here where you plug it in. Let's do that. Power button. Here's my Boba Fett. Power button. Is this your power button? These here is your speed, and then you use this to change the colors for your sweet little mood light. And I can already feel the coolness coming off of that. So that thing's pretty neat. And we'll see how it cools off this little room, and I'll let you know what I think. But right away I feel it kicking some pretty cool air. So that is the Arctic air for small rooms, bathrooms, kitchens, offices, little areas. Little mini AC unit with a USB, plugs it right into the wall. And what's the miniature AC mood changing light if you don't get to see the lights change? Mood light. I like it all green. Kick off that. Red's cool. I like them. I feel like it's a cool color for water. Pretty neat. Sit right in front of that.